Want to know the foldable phone cost? Watch this video to find out, which is the most affordable cell phone foldable. Discover the cheapest foldable phone on the market right now. For more details, use the link in the description. The cheapest foldable phone, which you can get right now, is the Royole FlexPai cell phone.
So here we have a really cool flexible phone right here with Royole, and it opens up. This really beautiful. So how big is the screen when it's closed, and how big is it when it's open?
When unfolded, it's around 8 inch of the flexible screen.
Open?
Yeah.
And when it's closed, 6.6?
Around that.
6.6. So similar dimensions to the new Huawei, right?
Yeah, similar, very similar.
Resolution, same?
Yeah, high resolutions, more than 300.
But this is the same resolution.
Similar. I don't know their spec yet, so.
And you make the display?
Yes, we are the flexible screen makers. We have our own mass production line and our own patented technology to mass produce the flexible screen.
And this is flexible OLED?
Yes, it's flexible OLED.
With plastic?
Based on the plastic materials and the flexible OLED technology.
And how do you make sure it doesn't get scratched?
So we have a special cover solutions to protect the screens to anti-scratch.
And it's just a cover, you can replace it easily, or not so easy to replace for the user to replace?
You can replace it.
Like a normal screen protector?
Different ways.
And so what is the CPU here?
So we are using Qualcomm's most recent Snapdragon 855 chipset, flagship chipset.
855 already is inside?
Yes.
Or is it coming later?
It's ready.
Now?
Yeah, inside. Yeah.
So it's the fastest ARM processor?
Yeah, fastest and most recent, the best processors in the world now.
And the most important thing also is that you are selling for 1,200 today?
In Europe, it's 1,388.
1,388?
Yes.
And then US?
US is 1,318.
1,318?
Yes, US dollars, yes.
And that's a development kit?
Developer model, yes.
So it's not consumer?
So currently, consumer model we are selling in Chinese market, and for the consumer model globally, we'll, for example, in Europe, the consumer can expect it pretty soon this year.
How much is a consumer model in China?
It's 8,000
RMB?
Yeah, RMB. More than 8,000.
$1,200?
1,000. Similar actually.
Is it worth buying? Well, according to the TechRadar.com, the Royole FlexPai had a noble vision, but its execution leaves much to be desired. The fully flexible display is admittedly impressive, but doesn't make up for the clunky feel in the hand. Moreover, if you are looking for a cheap folding phone, the Royole FlexPai cell phone is worth buying. Don't forget to press the like button if you enjoyed this video and to subscribe to the channel to get more cool videos about gadgets and electronics. To buy the cheapest foldable phone you saw in this video and to get more details about it, check the links in the description. And don't forget to leave a comment with your favorite folding phone.